Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla Stuff and Things. Today we have a special little treat. I came up with some ideas that I wanted to do with Abigail for Halloween. She loves sensory things, and if you don't know, my daughter Abigail is on the autism spectrum. So today we are going to be doing some fun little activities when she gets home from school to help her with that sensory aspect of her life. But I've got to change these shoes because they are not conducive for sensory activities, and we'll get it all set up and I will take you guys along. So here we go. So I don't know about you guys, but it's always hard to find things to keep her busy. She is 15 years old and she would prefer to sit on the couch and rock all day long. But obviously that's not what we want for her, right? We want her to be happy, but still do things. So I'm gonna get this all set up, and comment down below. Let me know, have you tried any sensory activities with your kiddos? One tip, if you're able to set it up outside, I would, because it is gonna be messy. Okie dokie, we got our table set up. I'm gonna go through and show you what I got. All of this was purchased at the Dollar Tree. I spent like $14, so that's awesome. It's a great task. You could do less, you could do more, you could do different. My kitchen is being remodeled right now, so I can't make things like pasta noodles. I wanted to do that so she could play in it. It's really good to put like oil on it and then let them play in that. I couldn't do that, so I had to think of things that didn't need to be cooked, because I don't have a kitchen right now. I actually did something like this in her class a couple of years ago for Halloween, and I took these little containers and you cut a hole in them and then put some felt so that there's not like a hard line, but they could put their hands in there and not be able to see what it was. You could say like gummy eyes or witch's fingers. It's super fun. But for today's, she's just going to have these little containers, and we're gonna put things like shaving cream, maybe put some things in there that she can like find, and I'm just excited. I got Goofy Putty, okay? The Halloween section was pretty much gone when I went, so I just had to come up with like orange things. How about boogers? Ugh. No party is complete without silly string. Again, I went with the orange theme. I thought she could have a lot of fun with this little slinky, you know. I don't know, it's just little cheap things that are gonna make her have the best time. Twizzlers, orange cream pop Twizzlers. So we're just gonna put these in there and she can just play around with things. I also got this. So like I said before, I made some noodles and I put oil on them, and it was just like, I don't know what you want to call that, but I can't do that this time. I did get this sour spaghetti so she could play with that. How about some gummy snakes? You could have little signs and they could, you know, put their hand in there and not know what it is, maybe blindfold them if they'll put up with that. And then you could just have some fun. It's all about having fun and thinking outside of the box sometimes. We have a squishy beads. Ugh, I cannot stand stuff like that. But Abigail thrives off of it. I also got this flarp. And again, all from the Dollar Tree. We got 2 Kansas string because why not? So we're gonna get this all set up, and then that way when she gets home, it's kind of like she gets home and she can decompress. What do you guys like to do to decompress? This is the kind of stuff she enjoys doing. Alrighty, we got everything set up. So she can play with the worms. I ended up taking the little booger candy, putting it in the shaving cream, so that way she can kind of mess with the shaving cream and then get little things out of here. Look what we have, Ab. Are you so excited? Look. Open that. Open it. Hold on. Hold on. Open this first. What do you think? Put your hands in there. Oh. What do you think? This is not going how I planned it to go. Were you trying to get it off your clothes? Oh my goodness. You do it. There you go.
Good.
There you go. Look at that. Don't put it in your mouth, just pull them. Look, stretch. It's like tug of war. Oh, they're snakes. Push it. Push it. Push it. What do you think? Push it. Push it. Push. Push. Look at that. So for $14, this could just bring some happiness and fun to you guys as well. I think she had fun doing it. But thank you guys so much, as always, for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Busy hands. Busy hands, ma'am. Do you love it? Yeah, you love the candy part. Hold on. Let's have one at a time. One. Okay. Okay, every mom needs to go get her this and put it in your car for those stressful days, and you can just do it and it'll make you feel better. I'm telling you, it's gonna make you feel better.